Lagos is an exciting, interesting, and vibrant city that leads other cities in providing captivating and eye catching experiences. It offers quite a number of entertainment options. The hustle and bustle in the city accounts for its large economy and paves way for tourism. The city has something for everyone. So if you are in Lagos alone with your partner, friends, and family, there are lots of activities you can engage in and places to visit to make your stay fun and what the wow. Hello viewers, I am Ilda Shaibu, your host, and this is Travel Guide. On today's episode, we're looking at top 10 fun places to visit while you are in Lagos, Nigeria, either on a vacation, a business trip, or on tour. Stay tuned guys, I'll be right back. Top 10 fun places to visit in Lagos. 1. Lekki Conservation Center. If you have a great interest and curiosity about nature, then the LCC is one of the best urban centers you should visit. It's located at 19 Lekki Ekpe Expressway, Lekki Peninsula 2, Lagos State. It is well known for its great diversity in species, nature, scientific and recreational of the southwestern Nigeria. It offers a wide range of exciting sceneries such as nature station, koi, and tilapia ponds, as well as floor games such as ludo, chess, snakes, and ladders. 2. Takwa Beach. If you love to relax and have fun in a not so crowded and silent place, then the Takwa Bay is the best place for you. Located at plot 686A Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue, Victoria Island, Lagos, the beach is only accessible via water transport. You can get boat rides to the beach at Marina, Mekwe Jetty, and Tazan Marine. You can enjoy volleyball sports, barbecue treats, chilled coconut juice served in coconut itself. Note that if you would love to enjoy some music while on the beach, it's preferable to go with your headphones or a Bluetooth speaker as the beach is very calm and quiet. 3. Malls. From Ikeja City Mall, the Palms Mall, Lijo Mall, and so many other malls, Lagos is known for its malls. They are your best option for shopping, entertainment, and leisure all in one place. They have a variety of restaurants, a cinema, a bookstore, clothing stores, bars, hair salons, and makeup studios. They are one-stop location for all your needs. 4. The Nike Art Gallery. The Nike Art Gallery and Culture Center was established to promote and preserve Nigeria's art culture, heritage, and language. It is the largest art gallery in West Africa, with over 700 artworks such as sculptures, carvings, paintings, batiks, drawings, and modeled statues done by famous Nigerian artists. Located at number 2 Legacy Road, 3rd Roundabout, Ekpe Expressway, Ikate Crossroad, Lekki Phase 1. 5. Get Arena, Front of Rufus and Bean. If you're in Lagos and in search of a recreational center for children and for adults to release the inner children in them, these are the right fun places for you. 6. The New Africa Shrine. The Shrine is definitely one of the fun spots to visit in Lagos, and it's currently the host location of the Celebration Music Festival, an event held yearly in honor of the musical legend Fela Anikulapo Kuti. It displays photo galleries of Fela, so if you're looking to listen to something different from the regular hip-hop, visit the New African Shrine to experience a musical genre of its own. 7. Hard Rock Cafe. Located at plot number 3, Oniru Estate, Victoria Island, this is a combination of cafe, hotels, and casinos, among others. Hard Rock is a haven for fans of music, food, and great times. So whether you are down for a legendary burger, live music, a classic tea, a rock star suit, or the latest collectible pin, there's something for everyone. 8. Cubana, Kelux, DNA Escape. If you're ready to have the night of your life, Then put on your party shoes, as these are the fun places to be on a Friday night. I'm talking about the Cubana, QLux, Escape, and DNA clubs. No party like a Lagos party. The Cubana, QLux, DNA, and Escape clubs are top-notch fun spots in Lagos. Take off your shoes and get your groove on. 9. Kalakuta Museum. The Kalakuta Museum used to be the home of legendary musician Fela Anikulapo Kuti. A trip to the museum will take you through the times of the late legend while on earth. Lastly, Mr. Chang. Try out one of the best Chinese restaurants in Lagos if you're bored of the regular food. Mr. Chang Chinese Restaurant offers the best Chinese dish, dessert, and excellent service. So yes, Lagos is overflowing with destinations to help you make your stay a memorable one. That's it, people. Your top 10 fun places to visit in Lagos, Nigeria. If you ever find yourself in the city, be sure to visit these places. I've had a wonderful time on the show, and I remain your host, Hilda Shaibo. Till next time, guys. Sign out.